Who gets the kids for spring break? To find out who gets the children for spring break, first you need to consult your custody agreement. That's either in your temporary orders or that's in your final order. If you don't have a custody agreement, you either need to come to an agreement with the party and memorialize it in writing, or we may need to go to court to get a custody agreement put in place. Normally, your possession for spring break is going to be contained in some sort of standard possession schedule. Most likely, your possession schedule is as follows. The children usually stay with the custodial parent in odd numbered years, and children usually stay with the non-custodial parent in even numbered years. What that normally looks like is from the release of school or 6 p.m. on the day your children get out of school until Sunday at 6 p.m. the day before they go back to school. So your schedule is either going to have you picking them up from school or picking up at 6 p.m. So make sure you know where you need to be and when. If you believe the other parent is going to deny you this period of possession, you need to be very, very specific on where you have to pick up the children, whether it be at school, at the other parent's house, at your house, or at a neutral third party. And you need to be very, very specific on when you need to pick them up. If your period of possession begins at 6 p.m. on Friday, you can't show up at 8:30 on Friday and then expect to file an enforcement for your period of possession. You need to be at the place where the final decree or the temporary order says you need to be, and you need to be there on time in order to properly enforce your possession period given to you by the order. Spring break should be a fun time for your kids, a time where the family gets to go on vacation or they have a week off of school. Make sure that you are prepared with knowing where you need to be, knowing what time you need to be there, and knowing whose spring break it is so you can prepare the best spring break possible for your kids. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below.